Hello folks, and welcome to a cup review. This is the first one. Which one shall I do today? We're going to do one for each, except for that one and that one. I will be doing all these cups what you see, except for the two M ones are doing separate, and the two M ones what I just mentioned, that one and the actual one are going to be in one video. So yeah, so let's get into the video. Hey up folks, right, this is my second two of the cup reviews, as you probably know because you probably watched the first one. The first one was actually the West Somerset Railway cup, but this one is a railway where I have been to before. It's in Yorkshire. Any clues before I say any more? There's actually two cups of this, but I'm going to do one now and one a bit further down line. Down line, do you get the joke? I never planned that at all. I got a few cups to do. I might do this one first, then do a different one, or two more different ones, two or three different, and back to the other one, or to my second one what I need to do. So anyway, I just put the screen back up. Well, I just had it down to see what it's like. Something different compared to the first review, what you saw, what went up last week. And this week, filmed actually on the same day as last week's. It will be on the 6th of April, Monday the 6th, when I recorded this. So the next one probably filmed on the Tuesday the 7th of April 2020. So anyways, it's not a cup review without a cup of tea. You know what's coming, don't you guys? Cup of tea with tea in it, as you probably see just about there. There. So yeah, let's get on with the video, and I will show you what I'm doing a review on my second cup of the second video on the second series or episode, whatever you want to call it. I'm actually not too sure, but let's go with it. So yeah, I'll see you on the other side. Are we all ready? This is slightly too far in. We'll zoom, put it out a little. More of a. I'm using the shortbread tin for a little stand for the cups. So yeah. So as I mentioned, this is actually at the railway where I have been to before. The first one was actually West Somerset, and this one is Keighley with Valley Railway. So I'm just move the tin up forward a little and put it down a little, and then I can get a bit more comfortable. Well, not exactly comfortable now, because I'm actually sat on the floor. And the first one was actually me sitting on a chair. So, this is the first of two Keighley Valley cups. As it says there, I'll zoom in for you guys. It says KWVRPS. I'm not too sure what PS stands for, but I know what KWVR it stands for. Keighley That's where the K. W is Worth, V for Valley, and R for Railway. As you train enthusiasts already know. This is for anyone who doesn't watch or is not actually a train enthusiast and who is not actually from York. Oh, I do apologise, guys. I almost knocked you off. So this is the Keighley Valley. This is the steam train 72. It says Worth Valley on the side of the train, as you can see there. I do apologise if you're on board. So it says Keighley Worth Valley with 72 on the side. And it's a tank engine. I'm not too sure if this train does exist anymore. So yeah, let's keep turning it around. Plus it says the Worthley Valley Railway at the bottom. It should be like that. We'll zoom back out. So yeah, I'll give you some more information on this in a second. I do apologise for the lighting over this side. Well, this is my second cup of the video of the cup reviews. So yeah, so I'll just put it back down on the train side. So Keighley Valley, if you don't know, is actually in Yorkshire, in West Yorkshire. Yeah, I have been to this railway before for this steam gala in 2018, I think it was. It's connected by Network Rail at Keighley, and Keighley Valley is where the Railway Children was filmed at Oakcliff. There. So they have quite a few trains. Yeah, I can't actually pronounce all of the names for you. But I just had a quick ring. So the main line at Keighley goes towards Skipton, Carlisle and the north, and other ways going towards Leeds and Bradford and that way. So let's try to find a bit of information about it. I'm currently using the internet as what I'll be using for all while you are looking at the cup. It's a lovely place to go. If you are in the area, go and visit, especially on their special days. So like in the Steam Gala, the Diesel Gala. Just try to find what they are all. It says here, the Keighley Valley is currently one of only 3 UK Pacific Railways which operates a complete branch line in original form. The other 2 being in the Heritage Eastbourne Railway in Derbyshire, and Swanage in Dorset. They got quite a lot of rowing stock as well, between steam, diesel, DMUs, rowing stock as coaching stock, and quite a few wagons. At the time of when I'm filming this, they are currently having, or have got, some Northern Rail 144s are there for storage because of the coronavirus, what's currently going around at the moment. So let's have a quick another drink. I'll let you have another look of the cup. Don't forget, this is my second cup of so many. I think 9 or 10. So yeah. So this steam train as looks like it's one of the red ones what it currently have at Keighley Valley itself. So yeah. So it's a nice cup compared to the ones what I have got already. Somewhat different, and the other one is slightly different to that one what we're currently on, but you will see that in a future video. Now I will be linking links to them videos in the description down below, including my social media, what I did not say on the first one, but just let you know that is in the description. There's my social media, my channels what I currently run, and that will be it, and the last cup review, it will be in the description as well. But yeah. So on that note, let me just put the lens down, or not lens, the screen, so I can't actually see. So from that, I hope you enjoyed the second cup of the review. This is probably how I wanted to actually upload them as well, but I will be putting a tweet, you already have seen, a tweet on with the how many cups left and what should be next type of thing. If someone picks a different one and then someone else picks a different one, the first one will get picked first. For example, if Harry has picked, for example, Franz Scotsman, that could be next, but I don't know. And then someone picks one from the Grand Central Railway Company. And I think that's in Lancashire, not Lancashire, Leicestershire. So yeah. So I'm going to get on. I will speak to you in the next one. So everything you need to know is in the description down below. That will be the last video last week. Last episode was on last Saturday, and then plus my social media as well. So if you're not following me on my social media, please do so. Links to that will be in the description down below. So on that, I will see you all next Saturday for another cup review. If not, then I will be uploading again tomorrow. Basically Sunday for transport. So on that note, I will speak to you. I will see you all in the next one. So bye bye.